Hi friends, this is Silva. Day by day we are uploading technical video contents, laptop, desktop, all the kind of videos in my channel. Just subscribe solution. Today we are see we can sign in at your account in Windows 11. Okay, how to solve? Just search option, regedit, right click, run as administrator, and what we do, just delete now for just delete a temporary user. Okay, daily your system download at that time we get like this error, we can't sign into your account. Okay, just click a temporary profile, temporary user. Okay, now today you see this kind of problem. Okay, just go on the regedit run as administrator, local machine, software, Microsoft Office, Windows NT, current version, profile, P per profile, this under we have two users, one is original user, another is temporary user. See this .bak is a C user admin, this is a my original user. See this one C user temp, TMP is there, so this is a duplicate or temporary user. Okay, see difference, see a different, both are, one is temporary and another is admin. Okay, .bak is admin, just delete for temporary profile, and rename is original user, just remove .bak. Okay, profile, we check it now, rename .bak, just delete .bak, just delete, and everything minimize and just restart it. Everything closer, just restart it. Now problem solved. Just check and restart your computer. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching Silva Solutions. Subscribe Silva Solutions. Thank you friends.